This is a stupid ass thing. What the fuck happened here? How the fuck? Also, damn. That does not look like transmission oil. Crap. Is this how this is supposed to work? Well, this is unlucky. It's about to fucking rain. But... ooh, look at that pudding. God damn. Let me have a taste. Right. Gonna change the oil in the transmission. Don't mind all that. That's completely fine. I don't want grass to grow here anyways. Right, the pan is upside down now. I've got this bit of metal here, and now you can see how this is gonna switch gears. Right, hello, next day I made some 3D printed parts for the bearings to hold them in place a bit better, and now I'm gonna put them in place, of course. But they fit, kinda. Right, here we are. Also I need to weld this gap shut so that this stick can't go into this gap, because, you know, separate lever. Right, now I need some sort of I'm thinking a plate somewhere that I can bolt on here. Or, maybe I can just put a tiny piece of metal off this bottom nut. Interesting business. And then I would have, I'm thinking, a plate here at the start, and then some rod, and a little plastic knob at the end. Right, I finished all the parts for the lever. It is a bit tricky to put together though. And if you do what I'm doing, don't do it like this. It's way too complicated for no reason. Gonna open up I think that's a filter, so I'll open that up and see if it's dirty. Well, these look like they have plastic or something in them even. What the hell? Okay, time to wash these in diesel or something. So that's better. Now just have to do with all of them. There's some old oil there still. Wait, this goes in first. Okay. Ah, crap. Wait, what? Right, I bought a whole kit for the Gearbox for $95, very good price. And as usually when you buy a whole kit, you take like 1 or 2 pieces out and throw the rest in the box. These holes are too small. Good God, after 3 million years I finally fit it all together. Freaking new parts, the gaskets holes are all messed up, they still are. They don't line up here, and then they were too small for the goddamn springs. Ah, crap. Also, this kit did not come with a gasket for here. What the hell? Alright, made a gasket just from an old tire tube. It is a little bit thick though. If you're doing this, be careful, it might be thicker than you need it. Right, I also adjusted the brakes. It's pretty easy actually. You might want to get a longer socket though. It's a bit tricky with a short one. Basically just take off these smaller nuts and then, I don't know, adjust until both pedals stop at the same area, you know. You can see this one. You can see shiny metal down there, that means brakes were working. And this one, absolutely rusty, that means the brakes were not working at all. Okay, let's start up the machine. Neutral. Fuck, I really need to fix these contacts, bruh. Let me show you the problem here with these stupid freaking Walmart contact thingies. You see how it clamps down the cable? That shit does not work well, so watch this. Alright, as you saw in the first episode of restoration, this pipe is busted somewhere here. You can see it's all busted in there. So I got a new one, got new screw and washers for over here. I hope it fits. The hole here is too small, so now these. Look at that. What the what the heck? Huh? Bro, it's not even moving. No, bro, no. You are now super clean, mister. Yes. Oh, there used to be a second bolt here. Just broken off. Okay, using a lot of force. Bro, I got some low quality gaskets. Look at this. Look at these. And also, I don't know if I even have everything. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Got some new screws. These are just regular ass steel or whatever screws. Also, I think they're just a tiny bit longer. Like this. Okay, let's put on the block. Also, there's no gasket for this, so I just put on some oil so this doesn't stick to that. So this actually sometimes some valve gets stuck and then you need to take this apart so it pops open and yeah, otherwise you can't use the hydraulics when it gets stuck. I'll hand tighten this as well and then tighten it all the way later. So what I saw, I just looked at some couple Russian videos about this. I saw just a bunch of people actually using the little metal thingies and some O-rings instead of using the plastic garbage shit. Instead of using the plastic stuff, so I'll remove the plastic thingies and just keep the metal bits. Yeah, like that. Nice and